Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I explore how AI is transforming health and wellness, helping you stay informed and ahead of the curve. Today, we're diving into something that affects millions of people around the world: ADHD. Whether you've been diagnosed with ADHD, know someone who has it, or just struggle with focus and organization, this video is going to give you real value. We're exploring how AI can be a game changer when it comes to managing ADHD symptoms. And yes, we're talking about tools that actually work. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's jump in. Let's start with the basics. ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder. It affects attention, impulse control, and executive function. People with ADHD often struggle with organization, memory, and staying on task. It's not just a kid's issue. Millions of adults live with it too. Traditional treatments include medication, therapy, and coaching. But now, with AI on the rise, we have new options. Artificial intelligence can analyze patterns in behavior, predict triggers, and offer real-time support. Think of it like having a digital assistant that actually understands your brain. AI tools can help you structure your day, remind you of tasks, analyze your productivity, offer emotional support. Now let's get into the actual tools. Here are some of the best AI tools out there right now that can really help. 1. Brain.fm, an AI-powered music app that creates soundscapes designed to boost focus and reduce distractions. It's great for deep work sessions, studying, or just calming your mind. 2. Otter.ai. This tool transcribes meetings, lectures, and conversations. For someone with ADHD, this means you don't have to worry about remembering every detail. Otter has your back. 3. Reclaim.ai. This is an AI scheduling assistant that helps you protect time for your tasks. It analyzes your calendar and routines to help you stay on track. 4. MindMate. It offers AI-generated cognitive exercises and memory games to strengthen attention and mental flexibility. 5. ChatGPT or AI journaling tools. Using tools like ChatGPT, you can journal your thoughts, get coaching advice, or even create a structured daily routine. You can ask it, "Help me plan my day with breaks every 45 minutes," and it will do just that. 6. Youper, an AI-based mental health assistant that checks in with you emotionally, helps with mood tracking, and provides cognitive behavioral techniques. 7. Notion plus AI integration. For people who love productivity apps, Notion with AI can help generate task lists, prioritize items, and even reflect on your week. Here are a few tips to make sure these tools actually help you. Start small. Use 1 or 2 apps at first. Set reminders to use them until they become a habit. Don't rely 100% on tech. Use AI as a support, not a replacement for therapy or medical help. Customize the tools to your workflow. Everyone's ADHD is different. So, is AI the magic fix for ADHD? Not exactly. But it's a powerful support system that can make managing symptoms a lot easier. From structuring your day to staying calm and focused, these tools offer real solutions. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more weekly content on AI health and wellness. And drop a comment below if you've used any of these tools, or if you want me to review one in detail. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.